Okay, so I'm going to, or I'm actually at the end of making a little greenhouse for my seeds, because at the night time obviously there's slugs and stuff like that start to come around and get onto the leaves and they can start to destroy. So I'm going to make one using skewers, big skewers and string, and I will tie these two together like so. And then I'll show you. But literally I'm going to be tying these together, string here, and then just making a frame from it all by basically string and skewers. So I'll do that, and then I'll show you the rest of the frame that I've done. Alright, okay, so this is what I've done. Tied it up like this, and you just tie a load of these together in the shape that you want, and this is what happens. And this is a frame that I've been doing, and it's just going to act like a miniature greenhouse. That's all it's going to be. See what I need to do there. It's going to brace this in the middle, straighten that up like that, and just probably put some more on the ends there just to really tighten up. And then I've got this plastic here, and I can then put that all around over it and then stick it on the plant pots. Okay, so like, share, subscribe. Some people might be interested in learning how to do the knots and whatnot, this type of string to keep it in place. Okay, bye for now.